Hey BitChute. Today we put up 4 videos on YouTube and only 1 on BitChute. We streamed 3 live to Twitch at twitch.tv/smashomash. So make sure you follow us on all those locations. Otherwise you're missing some of the content. So this is our meteorology segment. Welcome to space. Welcome to Earth. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists and so on. Welcome to the DR Renaissance. Visit our homepage at smashomash.com. Visit our links, become a member of the Smash team, and give Smash staff a raise, perhaps with some merch or with our subscription service. First thing we're looking at is the jet stream scenario for the Western world. That's the 250 hectopascal winds. Let's take a look at the surface winds while we're on this side of the planet. So there you go. There are the surface winds of the Western world. Some strong winds here in the north-central U.S. You can see there's a low-pressure system there. You can see a bit of a counterclockwise rotation. Strong low in northern Africa as well. Let's take a look at the east side's surface winds. A very strong cyclonic system here south of, I'll just say, in the northwestern Pacific. It looks like we have nearly hurricane-force winds there. At least 66-mile-per-hour system there. A strong counterclockwise rotating low-pressure system. Here are the jet streams of the east. And let's blast through some more information about weather and climate. Let's just stick to meteorology. So some huge floods happening here in the northern plains. That is less than optimal, as we're already seeing food shortages as a result of terrible and pathetic decisions by bureaucrats. So yeah, have you noticed that Earth's been sucking for the past 2 years? Yeah, we certainly have. So make Earth not suck again. It's up to you. You can find our merch link on the homepage if you'd like to pick up some merch. Again, give Smash staff a raise and do your part to make Earth not suck again. Thanks to everybody who has. It's our second best seller. The Mensa products. Pick up a shirt. Pick up a set of leggings and an A-line dress and send us some imagery of that. We want to see you in a Mensa outfit. That's your weather.gov map. If your county was lit, please click your county at weather.gov. And check out the berserk lightning we saw. Many tornado warnings and watches occurred last night. Check that out. That is an absolutely insane band of lightning. Give that a minute to load there. It'll be well worth it. Crazy lightning happening here. Just absolutely berserk. Hopefully the likely tornadoes didn't do too much damage. Let's move on to a real-time lightning map as we have lightning strikes happening as we do the live stream. So we haven't been streaming our meteorology segments to Twitch. Of course, they're very appropriate to stream live to Twitch because we're looking at real-time data here. This is a real-time lightning map. It looks like things are calming down a little bit here. Anyway, that's the situation at lightningmaps.org. Next time you hear thunder, check it out. It could save your bacon. Next, the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. That's what's going on over Earth's largest body of water. The cool thing about the water vapor map, folks, is it shows water vapor not even condensed onto clouds. It shows all the water vapor. Huge dry air mass continues to hover over the South Pacific. Cold water and massive air dominating that region of the planet. Again, that's your water vapor map for the Pacific Ocean region. And let's move on to the snow depth. Check it out. There's the snow depth. And it's going to be another epic melt season, folks. There's going to be a lot of water running this way and a lot of water running this way on either side of the Continental Divide. There's already a lot of water up here, causing massive floods in the northern plains, delaying planting. We're expecting some snow in Nebraska as well. We'll get to it. I promise. So here is your pressure and precipitation forecast based on the GFS model. And you can see some heavy snows showing up in there. Right in there. Some heavy, wet snow expected in western Nebraska. Also Idaho, Montana, Washington, and Oregon. Expecting some snow. And that low is going to move up around Lake Michigan and then sort of dissipate. Again, that's a GFS 72-hour pressure and precipitation forecast. Let's look at a positive snow depth change forecast. And there you go. Several inches of snow expected in the next couple of days in western Nebraska. I would say it's newsworthy. What about you? Also some heavy snows in Idaho, Oregon, some in Wyoming and Washington, and some additional snows here in North Dakota, some minor snows in Colorado, and a few little dustings happening in New England. That's a 72-hour GFS positive snow depth change forecast. And let's move on to the U.S. Doppler radar. Again, this low is going to move up like this, make a right, and then dissipate. Great image there of that low. You can see the counterclockwise rotation of all those systems. There's some dry, massive air mixing in there. We'll show you that in a minute. First, the full 50-state view to show what's going on to our viewers in Alaska and Hawaii. We'll focus on the lower 48 for the remainder of the video. Here's a shortwave radiation map. It's still dark over half the country. Great view here of this rotating low, located right about there. And it kicked up a series of crazy storms overnight. And last but not least, we'll show the water vapor. Just give that a minute to load. Again, this video was originally streamed live to twitch.tv/smashomash. There you can see that dry, massive air mixing in and creating huge pressure gradients, especially in that area. It's essentially an atmospheric fluid fall. I won't say waterfall. It's more like a nitrogen fall. Some rapid cloud nucleation happening here in Texas. Some huge evaporative processes happening there. Some moist ground, creating some moist air quite quickly just in the past few hours. So here's a recap. The U.S. Doppler radar map showing vertical motion of water droplets in the air column. The shortwave radiation map showing clouds and fog at nighttime. And the water vapor. That should give you some insight into how these systems will move. And this dry, massive air right in this area, in the center of this low, is helping to weaken it and to push it a bit to the east. So that's where we'll close out. Thanks for tuning in. May that terrestrial wind be at your back. Thanks for leaving a comment, Stevo8778. What up? Are you in Kansas? Anyway, we'll see you soon on the interwebs. As I sign off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.